In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a file name in Dropbox. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Dropbox. You can use any browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. This step is essential because it sets the foundation for accessing your files stored in the cloud. You will see a search results page with various links related to Dropbox. It's important to ensure that you are navigating to the official Dropbox site. This keeps your account safe from phishing attempts. Once you see the Dropbox website, you're ready for the next step. Next up, click on the correct link that leads you to the official Dropbox website. Typically, this will be the first result listed in your search. It should say something like Dropbox Tokens, names, Cloud File Storage. Clicking on the right link ensures that you reach the correct platform to manage your files. If you mistakenly click on an incorrect link, you may end up on a different site, which could be confusing or even unsafe. After clicking the link, you will be taken to the Dropbox homepage where you can start managing your files. Now it's time to log into your Dropbox account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials, which are your email address and password. Make sure you enter them correctly. Logging in is crucial because it grants you access to your personal files and folders stored in the cloud. If you forget your password, don't worry. You can use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Once you are logged in, you will see your files and folders clearly laid out before you. From there, navigate to the file or folder you want to rename. Take a moment to locate the specific file within your folders. You can use the search bar if you have many files. This step is vital because it ensures that you are renaming the correct item. Misnaming a file could lead to confusion later on. As you browse, make sure the file you want to change appears prominently. Once you find it, you are ready to proceed to the next step. After that, hover over the file name and click the three dots in the More button on the right. This action opens a drop-down menu with various options related to your file. Hovering over the file name is important because it activates the button, allowing you to access additional settings. This small step saves you time, as you won't have to look for hidden menus. Once the drop-down appears, you will have multiple options to choose from. Next, click Rename from the drop-down list. This option will allow you to change the name of your file. Selecting Rename is a simple yet significant action. It indicates that you are ready to make adjustments to your file, which can help in organizing your documents better. After you click Rename, a text box will appear around the current file name, ready for your input. Now, type your new file name and press Enter on your keyboard or click outside the text box. It's essential to choose a name that clearly describes the file's content. This helps you and others easily identify it later. Pressing Enter confirms your change, ensuring that the new name is saved. If you click outside of the text box, the name will also be updated. You will see a confirmation that your file name has successfully changed. This gives you peace of mind that your adjustments are now in place. With everything done, you have successfully renamed your file in Dropbox. The new name will help you keep your files organized and easy to find in the future. Great job on following these steps.